Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my December Lola Beauty Box. And I think I did tell you all last month that I did sign up for a 3-month subscription, so I had November, December, and January. I'm still planning on canceling this after January, but while I still have it, I figured I might as well go ahead and unbox it with you and get ready with the products. So I do have my face done with all the products that are not in this box. So I did already look to see what was in here so I would know what not to put on my face. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now this month, they have the little peanuts in it. They haven't had the peanuts in it before. They have usually the little snakes, so that's different. I'm going to go ahead and grab the card out of here, and we can go ahead and get started. So this month it says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it has a little, you know, Christmas tree and everything on there. So that's very season appropriate. On the back it has all the products. One thing that I will say that is very frustrating about this box is that they always use like a script type of type print on their card, and with the coloring they use and how small it is not always the easiest to read this card. So there's that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this item out first. It is a brush. It's from Mint Pear, and I got the foundation flat kabuki brush. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. I do enjoy kabuki brushes. I have several of them because I do all my foundation reviews and I love trying new ones. This looks like a Sigma brush, but it honestly doesn't feel like a Sigma brush. It's not as dense, and the bristles bend a lot easier than like my Sigma flat kabuki brush does. But here is the brush. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. This is from Mint Pear Beauty, limited edition. You could have either gotten the pink M64 brush or the flat top kabuki brush, which I got the flat top kabuki. The other one was a blender brush, so I'm going to skip over the description for that since that's not the one I got. This is the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brushes. Dense vegan bristles create the perfect flawless finish for buffing, stippling, and blending liquid, powder, bronzer, blush, or mineral cosmetics to help you create the most beautiful you possible. I think that's what that says. It's just not super dense. Let me grab my other one real quick. Hold on. So, like, this is my Sigma Flat Top Kabuki, and I don't know. It's going to be hard for you guys to be able to tell without being able to touch it. They are probably about as dense bristles, but these are just much more bendable than these ones are. I don't know how to describe it. When you touch it, you can tell the difference. Not that Sigma's like a super expensive brand or anything like that, and they are vegan, cruelty free. I don't know. I will definitely give it a try. Definitely give it a try. And the Sigma one is one of my favorites, so absolutely we'll give it a try. All right, I'm going to pull this out next because this is the other thing that I'm not going to be trying on today. It's got a little peanut stuck to it. This is the Eslor, The Art of Beauty Chlorophyll Lifting Mask. So, okay, this is a mask. It's a skin tightening mask. Okay. This is a box. I'm going to read it real quick before I open it up because I might put this in my giveaway drawer. Hold on, let's see. All right, this is the Eslor Chlorophyll Lifting Mask, Skin Tightening Mask. The dried film of natural milk proteins, plant extracts, seaweed extracts, and minerals tighten the skin, help enhance blood circulation, and help diminish fine lines. All right, I'm probably going to go ahead and give this a try. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And it is taped shut, so that's good. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Oh, the packet. Oh my gosh. The packaging is really pretty. Look at that. Getting a lot of flashback, but the packaging is gorgeous. Okay. It's got a seal on it. Anybody know how to open this? I can't get it to open up. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, my golly. Okay. Not quite what I expected. Do you see that? It is a green jelly. Whoa, it's coming out. Okay. I mean, I guess chlorophyll's green, right? It's just not what I expected. All right. I'm making a mess of myself. I will give that a try. Yeah. I'll give it a try. But the packaging is beautiful. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. All right, the next 3 items I'm going to be trying on for you at the end of the video. So if you're interested in what they are or what they look like, stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out next. This is an eyeliner from EcoBella, and there's really not much on it. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and I will swatch it for you real quick since I'm going to be using it here in a minute. Anyway, I will swatch it on my hand. It looks like it's a black. Oh no, it's a brown. Okay, that was not expected. There it is. It is brown. And that is the packaging. Okay. And the card says, this is the EcoBella Soft Eyeliner Pencil. Make a flawless point, beautifully vibrant, softly sophisticated, and always natural. Formulated to glide on smoothly and evenly to define eyes with vibrant color. Like I said, it is a brown shade. It looks like it says the shade is Seal. At least that's what's on the little sticker that's on it. It says it's Seal. I'm not super fond of sharpened pencils like this, like actually like wood pencils. Because they have a tendency, and maybe it's just me, I don't know, they have a tendency to feel more hard on the skin, and I definitely don't want it tugging on my skin. So, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm trying to get the rest of the plastic off because that annoys me. And I know I don't always talk pricing, but this is not a large pencil. Like, you can see it's, you know, I'm going to try to pinch it there with my fingers. That's the biggest that it is. It's not super long. And they're saying that the value of that is $17.95. So that just seems a little bit high to me. All right. The next item in here is this right here. This is from Real Her. It says, be brave. This is it actually says gorgeous metallic liquid lipstick. So there's that. Okay. Go ahead and get this open, and I will swatch it for you all. That is a very, very thick. That's a very thick consistency. It's almost like a salmon shade. And it's not like super glittery or anything like that, so it's not bad. I'm going to get that off of my hand because if I don't, I will get it everywhere. Absolutely everywhere, and that's the last thing I want to do. So. Okay. All right. And the last thing in this box is an eyeshadow palette. It is the Esmeralda 2 by Beauty Creations. And I'm actually really excited to try this out. I'm hoping it's decent quality because it's absolutely gorgeous. Here it is. It is beautiful. Like, absolutely beautiful. So hopefully it works well and it won't be bad on my eyes. It does have a little bit of a smell to it, but you have to get really close to smell it. So it's not horrendous. It smells almost like new shoes. If anybody knows what I'm talking about when you buy like new sneakers, that's kind of what it smells like. So, all right, I am going to be using this on my eyes today, which is why I have no eyeshadow on my eyes. So that is going to be it for this unboxing part of the video. Oh, wait, I didn't read it to you. I didn't read the lipstick to you either. So the Real Her lipstick. This is a metallic liquid lipstick, Be Brave. One swipe of the richly pigmented metallic lipstick will give you a bold lip that dries to a matte metallic finish. The formula is lightweight and non-drying on the lips. And then for the eyeshadow palette, this is the Beauty Creations Esmeralda Palette 2. These are just so well balanced and well thought out palettes. It's hard to come across an eyeshadow palette that has such a nice variety of not only tones but also finishes. Each palette is essentially half mattes and half shimmers, give or take. Plus, the whole layout is very aesthetically pleasing. All right, it is time for the try-on portion of this video. If you're not interested in the try-on portion, thank you for watching this unboxing. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like button down below and hitting the red subscribe button, I do a lot of unboxings on my channel, as well as a lot of other things, some get readies with me, foundation reviews, that sort of stuff. So if you would be interested, hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget the little bell to notify you when I do upload videos. All right, time for the try-on version. So I'm going to go ahead in with the eyeshadow palette first. I do already have my eyes primed. I used the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer on my lids today. So they are ready to go. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump in. I'm going to grab this brush here from Moda Pro. I got this in a BoxyCharm, I think. I love my brushes that I get in beauty boxes. I don't know about y'all, but I do. All right, I'm going to go into the shade here just to start off my look and put that all over my lid. Nothing crazy to start us off with. So we'll get that going here. All right, next, I think I'm going to go into this like cool tone brown up here. It looks kind of almost purple. Like a light, very, very light purple. And I'm going to put that in my crease. All right, I'm going to go into the darker brown here and build up my crease a little bit more because I'm not getting a whole lot of pigment with that shade. It's not that it's a bad shade. It's just that it's very, very light. So it's lighter than it looks in the pan. At least I feel like that's what's coming across for me, is that it's just showing up lighter on my eye than it is in the pan, which is fine. I'm not getting any problems with it. It's just lighter than in the pan. So all right, this brown is doing a much more, like, it's much more pigmented, but again, the shade's different than in the palette than it is on the eye. So all right, next, I really want to use the blue, and I really want to use that green, but I don't think I'm going to do that. What I think I am going to do though is use this like yellow orange here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid and see how that looks. It's almost like a golden shade. It is definitely showing up golden, and that is actually showing up better on my eye than some high-end powder or high-end eyeshadows that I've used as of late. I really like that shade. That's a pretty shade. That is super, super pretty. I like that a lot. Wow, okay. I don't know that I want to do too much more. I think what I might do is go into the pink shimmer and concentrate that on the outer portion of my eye, since the crease has like that purple pinky matte in it. So I'm going to just go with a little bit of pink on the outer portion of the eye, just to start darkening that up a little bit. Okay, I am going to go back in to, do I want to go back in the brown? I think I'm going to go back into the brown because I've sort of lost that. So I'm just going to deepen up the outer portion of the eye a little bit with that brown. Okay. Next, I'm actually going to take that eyeliner and line my upper lash line and see how that looks. All right, that is not my favorite. It did drag a little bit on my eyes, and I don't prefer that, but it is okay. All right, I'm going to take this little pencil brush here, and I'm going to go into the like purple grayish shade and run that along my lower lash line, and then I'm probably going to go in with the brown as well. All right, and then what else do I want to do? I think that's it. There are a couple shades in here that I want to swatch because I think they're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch the red here and this bronze shade. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. That is pretty. I'm going to do the green shimmer, and let's do the blue purple. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my golly. And there's still some on my hand too, so it's not like it's like all gone. Okay. For the value of this box, or this palette, I think it says it's $11.99. This is an $11.99 palette. That quality is actually really, really good. It's more than I expected for $11.99. That purple shimmer, I thought it was a blue, but it's a purple. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me get this off me before I get it everywhere. I will be right back. All right. That's a nice palette. And it, like I said, it says it's $11.99. That's a nice palette for $11.99. That actually really impresses me. So, all right. I'm going to go ahead and put that away. And then we're going to put the lipstick on. So this is the Real Her Be Brave Gorgeous Metallic Lipstick. I've not been a huge fan of Real Her products in the past, but we'll see how this one looks. I don't want to get too much. Okay, so that I don't think goes with this look, but that's okay. Yeah, I just don't think it goes with this look. That's okay though. All right, so let's go back through the products. The mask, I don't know. I'll try that in the future. The eyeliner is not my favorite. It's just not. The lipstick is okay. I'm gonna try it again with another look because it doesn't look right with my eye look right now. I am gonna take this off in a minute because I'm filming other videos today, and it is definitely feeling drying, which is my biggest problem with Real Her products. Everything else that I've tried has also felt very drying, so there's that. The brush. Oh, I already put it over here. So the brush, I'm definitely gonna give it a try, and I'll probably use it. It's fine. I won't know until I actually use it. This palette, though, I'm very impressed with this palette. Very impressed. I think my eye look turned out pretty good, given the artist that's using it. I think it turned out pretty good. And the shades that I haven't used in here, I'm really looking forward to using. So anyway, that's my Lola unboxing and try on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. What did you think of this box? Did you get this box? Would you consider getting this box? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, I have my own online boutique. If you are interested, please check it out. It's nimities.com. We are running a winter wear special event right now where you get 25% off of all cold weather clothing if you use the code BYE2018, so BY 2018 at your checkout. So if you wouldn't mind checking it out, or if you're interested, please go ahead and do that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!